Welcome to my channel. This one is going to be a small Amazon haul. Sun X and some socket adapters and hose clamps and whatnot. Let's get into it. Okay, this one is the Sun X. Let me bring it over here a little closer. Glare on the light, or from the light. Locking extensions. Now if you've seen my other video, you know I already got the 1/4 inch, 3/8 and 1/2 inch extensions in chrome, but I wanted to get some impact extensions, so I got these. I still may get some 1/2 inch impact, I don't know yet, or 1/2 inch impact locking extensions, but I use 3/8 a lot more than 1/2 inch, so whatever. Anyway, got some hose clamps. These are like the style of the hose clamps that Harley uses on their fuel lines, and a lot of motorcycles or manufacturers use that style instead of the worm where you turn the screw. Those are cheap, they don't really work too good, but anyway, here's the pliers you got to have to tighten those clamps. These two came together. I'll open everything up here in a second and show you a little closer. And the next one is impact grade socket adapters. They're for like your impacts. It's all different lengths. Anyway, okay, here's all the packages opened. I don't know why they didn't put these in order, but whatever, I didn't package them, so they're 3/8 or 1/4 inch, 3/8 and 1/2 inch, all these different lengths. That's awesome. I mean, obviously you could use just a little short one and then put a long 1/4 inch extension and then the socket, but that's too many wobble points. So you got these. I don't know what the lengths are on them, to be honest with you. It doesn't say either. I'm wanting to say 3, 6, and 10 or 12, whatever these are, I'm not sure. And I don't know if I'll keep them in this case or not. Depends on how often I use them. It might be more of a pain in the butt to get them in and out of this case to store them than it's worth. But I just wanted these long ones to help out. And next you have these pliers. Now, it doesn't say a brand on them. It just says chrome vanadium. I guess you can see that. And like I said, these are not cutters. I don't know how good you can see that. They're not cutters. They are to squeeze these clamps in right here. They grip from here to here. Squeezes it in and it tightens the clamps up. And here's the clamps. All different sizes, even little bitty dudes like that. One of them would work on my welding machine, the gas line. Anyway, let me close the lid here and show you the sizes. There's all the different sizes in case you wanted to know. I don't know, I guess that's the brand. I don't know, 90 pieces. And then guess I wasn't too prepared for this one with the Sun X. And these probably won't stay in the case either. Sorry about that. It's kind of hard to open this with one hand. The impact. I guess you can see that pretty good. Locking extensions. These are pretty awesome. Anyway, just wanted to show you up close. That's about all I got for this video, guys. Like always, thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.